Modular 7 vocab. These ones are some basic signs, and then we're going to learn noun and verbs and how they connect as pairs. So we're going to get into that. First basic sign we're going to learn is bye. Just wave bye. See you later looks like it sounds. See you later. See you later. Sorry, it's an S hand and it's on your chest. Sorry, please. Sorry, very similar. Good luck. It's a 25 hand coming off your chin. Good luck. You also see people do lucky. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Doubt. It's 2 fingers in the eye. I'm not exactly sure why. It's like, I doubt you. I don't see it. I don't know why, but that's the expression, doubt. Doesn't matter. It's back and forth. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Pity. Sometimes you can get 2 hands. Sometimes you'll see it 1 hand. Sometimes you'll see people bring it from their heart. Pity. No, we've already learned. Don't know. We've already learned. The other one you don't know. The other one is didn't know that. Didn't know that. So you got to get that head shake. You do that know that motion. Know that. Didn't know that. That head is going to make a difference. Don't care. It's like you're taking it from your nose and throwing it away. Don't care. Let's see. Now I typically do with let's see, lean forward and the eyebrows go up like, let's see it. The little kid's hiding something. Oh, let me see it. Or somebody hurt themselves. Oh, let me see it. All right, nouns. Chair, 1, 2. It's 2 fingers, 1, 2. Chair. There's a reason we're doing 1, 2, and I'll show you in a minute. Chair. Door. Now door, you can open 1 door, and it's coming back towards you like you're going to smack yourself in the face, okay? Door, or I could do double doors opening up, or sliding doors opening up, but door. Window, lifts up, so palms are facing in towards you. Window. Drawer, like you're opening a drawer to your, for your clothes drawer, your dresser. Book looks like a book. You're opening a book. Pencil. Now, I will tell you, I learned pen and pencil. Like I learned them differently. I know a lot of people, they just do the same thing, pen or pencil. Pencil, pen. Pencil, pen, but whatever. Car, you're driving your car. And then bicycle, it's the pedals. Now, we're going to learn verbs that attach to some of those nouns. This is called a noun-verb pair, and you're going to learn this in grammar. So, we did chair, 1, 2. Sit, it's a command, 1 time. Sit. Write, going to go across the paper, not just a pencil, but I'm going to write. Drive, like I'm pushing forward, drive. I'm not just driving, which I could, I guess, drive. Most people will drive. Riding a bicycle, riding a bicycle. You see how it's a bigger motion? Bicycle, riding a bicycle. Those are called noun verbs. Now we have the verb pairs. We talked about our door, right? Open door, closed door. They're the exact same type of idea, that they are paired the same. They have the same opposite movements of each other, right? This one goes this way, this one goes this way. Open door, closed door. Open door, closed door. Open doors, closed doors. You will typically not see them in the same sentence, but I could say, so what I said is, you see the door over there open? Can you please close it? So I might use it in that sense, but I'm not going to go open door, closed door in a sentence. Window, open window, close the window. Open the window, close the window. Drawers, open drawers, close drawers. Open drawers, close drawers. We're going to play with this a lot, noun, verb, and verb pairs in ASL 2 as well, so bear with me. Book, open book, close book. Now what I like about book, like you open the book, you can close the book. But if I'm reading a book and I'm reading the same sentence over and over again, I'm reading, I'm like, oh, I've had enough. I can slam the book. I like slamming the book. All right, some other ones. When I'm turning on and turning off things, depends on the motion of the item I'm turning on or turning off. For example, turn on knob, turn off knob. Just like on your stove, turn on the knob, turn off the knob. Turn on light, turn off lights. Lights are on, lights are off. It's like the light is shining on you. Lights on, lights off. Now, if I want to flicker my lights, I'm going to do this. Having a party again. All right. Turn on switch, turn off switch. Flip the switch on, flip the switch off. Turn on switch, turn off switch. Again, these are pretty common sense ones, which is really nice. And then button. It's the same motion no matter what you do. So you're going to have to use the context clues of the sentence that you're talking about. So for example, if I've been watching TV, I may say, please turn off the TV. I know it's going to be turned off because I've already established that I'm watching TV. So the context of the conversation around you. Because we have to remember, yes, we're learning vocabulary words. However, we're learning vocabulary words to put into sentence for conversation. So they are going to be used not just as a singular word. So there has to be that comprehension of what is being said as a whole. So that's something you have to always remember when you're learning your vocabulary. And then we have 4 things called the modals, and I'm going to go through those. You'll hear them again in the grammar. But it's must. It's a nice hard boom. Must, should, same hand shape. It's that X hand shape. Can, 2 hands straight down, like you're pushing down on something. Can, and will. Again, going into that tense of timeline. Remember those? So must, should, can, and will. And those are your vocabulary for Modular 6.